Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the brand spanking new Slaves to Darkness Chaos Warriors. These are brand new sculpts available for your Chaos Army for Age of Sigmar. And wow, these sculpts are really fantastic. We've had quite a few previews and closer looks at these models. With this unboxing, we are going to have a look at the sprues and see what's inside the box and the arrangement of the kits. Basically just have a look at the sprues and see what's in store for us. I mean, there's a lot here in these Chaos Warriors, and I am pretty sure there are quite a few options available. I mean, they got to have like halberds and swords and axes and all sorts of stuff, right? They've got it, right? So let's have a look at the back of the box. And of course, we can see all the different Chaos Warriors available. Yeah, see, they can even get shields and swords, right? I mean, I assume these are not all monopose, right? I would assume that there's options, right? I'm assuming there's options. Same with even like the standard. The standard kind of, I don't know. I mean, what do I know? Let's just dive in, I guess. All right, trusty rusty knife. Bang, let's get in there. Let's get in there. Get in there. I'm not in there. I'm not in. Now I'm getting in. No. Oh, my lord. Several moments later. Okay, which side of the box am I cutting here? There we go. Jeez Louise. Just dive right in and let's have a look. Let's have a looky-loo. I'm excited. I'm excited. These things just look fantastic. We got, looks like 3 sprues plus the instruction booklet. Got all our bases, 10 bases it would appear. The instruction booklet, fairly thick, gives us the rules, as well as the config. Yeah, see, they got axes, swords, maces. They got all sorts of weapons. There's all sorts of options. Shields, halberds, spears. Yeah, see, some of them, like when they do these, they have multi-options for per like body. Yeah. Oh, you can even swap out the icon in the standard. Oh. Very cool. Lots of head options, swords. Yeah, so halberds and close combats with shields. So it gives you quite a bit of options. All right, let's have a look at the sprues. Having a look at the sprues. Very cool. Oh man, these things are big. Look how big they are. I kind of wish I had some of the older Chaos Warriors just to do a comparison, but yeah, these guys are huge. In comparison to, like, you know, previous editions, yeah. They seem pretty straightforward. Like they're kind of 2 halves. Like the body and the cloak, and then you just slap the arms and the heads on. Some of them have, like, you know, you got to put the leg on. But plenty of options. It's cool if they do lots of head options too. And of course, this other sprue has like the standard bearer. Yeah, these are pretty darn cool. I like this one with all the crazy demon heads and spikes in it and everything. It's pretty darn cool. So that's it. That is the unboxing for the new Chaos Warriors. They're bigger, they're better, they're badder. They are Slaves of Darkness Chaos Warriors, available today. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these models. Man, fantastic looking things. What color would you do them? I think I would do them kind of the default black, kind of like Black Legion, right? That's what they're kind of like, Black Legion. Big thank you to my patrons, for without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. Be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there's various tiers of support. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support, and all you brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing, or review, or battle report, painting tutorial, just a tip, Way the Brush live stream. Who knows? Who knows where I'll see you? But I'll see you out there. you.